What's going on, Tread Life family? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all of y'all. Listen, today I'm doing something special. I'm reviewing some red dots that were sent out to me from who? ZULISY. And while I'm saying that, I want to give out a big shout out and a thank you to ZULISY for sending me out these products. Thank you for supporting my channel. And all I'm going to do is just do a tabletop review. And then on the next video, I might go out there to the range and put it to its test. I will be testing the durability and the reliability of these red dots, all right? And what do we have here? We have the Oak C and the Otter Pro, all right? So one's an RMR, one is an RMR SC. So we're gonna take a look at the Oak C, all right? Real quick right here. And while I'm looking in this bag, I just wanna say YouTube, we're always in a safe environment in my recording space. There's never no ammo around us, no children, and everything is pre-checked, all right? No ammo, no firearms, no nothing. Everything is safe. And I don't promote or condone the sale of firearms. Yeah, let's get to what I'm talking about. So you quickly open it up. This is the Oak C. I'll show you the cover there. So right here, the first thing you see, they give you, is it two of them? Oh, they gave me two of them. All right, they recommend you zero this in at 25 yards. You can add 5, 10, or 25 yards zero, all right? And also, they also say the warning, read before use, so read it. What is this here? All right, so this just shows you as far as, this is the emitter, pretty much. These are different, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how the tint looks, all right? On desert, daylight, sunny, cloudy, and night. These are all the settings. And of course, they got a cloth so that you can clean the lens. And over here, they have a manual, operator's manual, man. If you don't know nothing about these red dots or green dots, check the manual out, all right? It's pretty helpful. That's what it is, man. ZULISY. So real quick, you get a bunch of screws for one, bunch of screws. You have the two to actually mount down the screws, the red dot or the green dot. Damn, they give you some more screws, man. Look at this. Let me see if I can read this right here. Yeah, it's the screws. Bunch of screws, y'all. 2 bags of screws, man. Then of course they give you the battery. This is a CR1632 battery. Brings it in here. What else? They also give you a mount if you're gonna just mount it like on a rail. So you can put your glass on here and just mount this on a rail, which is a rifle or something like that. So they have that. Metal, steel, you know, it ain't plastic. And right here we have the red dot, because this one is a red dot. All right, so this is the Oak C. That huge window, y'all, huge window. Now right away, I like it because once you mount this on your firearm, you don't have to remove it to change the battery. This one is a top loading, all right? I'm used to having the ones that have a little thing on the side where you can load the battery on the side, but this one is top. So that's pretty good. At least you don't have to remove it to install the battery, so that's good, all right? Comes with a lot of stuff. Now let's look at the Otter Pro. This one brings a little key, all right, like a little tool. That's an Otter Pro. Same thing, it brings a little fabric to clean the lens. Operator's manual. The same thing as in the other package. All right, so this one brought a small little, a battery holder screw, all right? It's real small. So this might be a spare one. And then a bag of tons of screws here. And of course, the battery. Some more screws. Sheesh, screws for days, y'all. Dang. And now let's look at the optic. All right, this is the Otter Pro, y'all. This is the RMR SC. Big window, man. Big window, y'all. Big window, big window. All right, cool. All right, and the same thing. Well, actually, no, this is different, actually. The RMR, this one, you load it from the top as far as the battery. You change it for the top. This one has a side loader, right? So you just load it from right here, take the screw out, And that's just an extra screw that they provided, because this one already has a screw. Hold on, I'm about to see if, wait, is that an extra battery? Let me see, let me just press it down and see if I get something. Because that might not be an extra battery, that might be the only battery. Yep, only battery. Listen, but let's go by the specifications, all right? Pretty much this is water resistant. At least that's what it's saying on the manual. Water resistance, it got 10 brightness settings, 40 MOA, battery runtime, you get about 20,000 hours at a medium setting. And the Oak C is not multi-reticle, so it's just the pretty much circle dot. The Otter Pro is multi-reticle, so you got the dot by itself, you got the circle dot, and then you got the circle by itself. So let me just show you here real quick. Maybe you can pause the video, and this is what this offers right there, right? I don't know if you guys can see that, but hopefully you guys can. As far as the Otter Pro is multi-reticle, like I just said. And this is what it says. Let me pause. Hopefully it's coming out clear. All right, and they're both red dots. I thought I was gonna get a green dot, but that's fine by me, because for some reason, I can see the green, but I can see the red even better, so. All right, so this is the Otter Pro, and it's the same thing as far as the battery hours. You get 20,000 hours. Same thing right there, and that is also water resistant. And 10 brightness settings, so 10 clicks, and 10 clicks down. You know what it is, right? You turn on the light, you turn off the light. Come on, man. We right here? We right here. But anyway, listen, I wanna do a little water test too. This is just like a tabletop review to show y'all how it looks and all that stuff and the settings and what it offers, but I'm gonna put it to the test. I did mount the batteries and I closed the lid pretty tight, because you know I don't want to mess around and leave it open and then water seeps in, and that was my bad. But nah. So this is it here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in water. I'm not gonna sit it for no hour and a half. Come on, man. Let's be realistic. If you lost your red dot or your green dot that's mounted onto your firearm, and you misplaced this for an hour, you got bigger problems, man. This is just so that if you accidentally drop it in mud or water or liquid, all right, accidentally. So let's just say you drop it and then it just sits there for about a good minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops or something like that. And you search and boom, you found it, you gotta go. You drop it for an hour or more, man, you got bigger fish to fry, all right? Just, come on, man. But hold on, let me go get that water, let me dump it in here. Let me put the timer so you can see, all right? I ain't gonna be lying on here. If it don't work after I submerge it in water, then it don't work. But if that goes through, then my next thing or my next video, maybe this video, maybe not this video, but anyway, this will be the first test. The second test will be like a soft torture test, all right? I don't want to beat my firearms up. I want to show you guys what this is capable, all right? If it can resist impacts and drops and stuff like that and water, you know what it is. Come on, don't act like this is the first torture test or soft torture test you guys seen, man. No, right? Okay, hold up. All right, y'all, listen, man. Hopefully this angle is good and all that stuff, man, but I'm trying to figure this out, right, as I go, man. But anyway, we got the, what the heck is this right here? Hold on. We got the Oak C, my bad. Yo, get your stuff together, boo-boo. You heard? Get it together, right? So we're gonna submerge it in water. Hopefully it do what it do. Let me just double check. The red dot is on. There you go, all right? Let me check this one here. The red dot is on. And now let me start the timer, y'all. Hold on a minute. And I'm only gonna leave it there for like 5 minutes. All right, y'all. So listen, like I said earlier, I'm not gonna do this for no 5 minutes, no 2 hours, no hour. Come on, man, let's be realistic, all right? It's been submerged underwater for 2 minutes, all right? 2 minutes and 20 seconds almost. So I'm about to wrap it up. Should I give you another minute? Let me give you another minute. All right, yeah, the minute's about to be up. So anyway, y'all, let's see what we talking about, all right? You accidentally dropped it. You ain't purposely just threw it in the water for like 2-3 days and come back for it. Nah, man, you accidentally dropped it in the water at the beach, outside, wherever, in some liquid, all right? But hold on. So let me just stop it. All All right, so it's 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Fix this camera too. Boom, right there. All right, so let me show you guys. Right here we have the Oak C. Just dump the water off of it. Dang. Let me take a look. Man, see, I can't show you guys because it's not gonna pick up, but take my word for it, it's on. It's working. All right, now let me see if there's any water inside the glass inside of it. Thing still got water up. The glass looks pretty clear. There's no water in there. It's still on, guys. All right. So the Oak C is a go. Now we checking the Otter Pro. You can see that water dripping. Come on, man. Gotta put my glasses down. The dot is still nice and crisp. This thing worked, man. You guys can't see it. I know you can't, but take my word for it. So there you guys have it, man. You have the Oak C, RMR, and you have the Otter Pro, RMR SC. Now, I gotta figure out which firearms I'm gonna mount these on. I don't know, but stay tuned. I might put this on my PSA Dagger, and this one might end up going on my Smith & Wesson Equalizer, because it's an RMR SC. My bad. Damn, tongue-tied. But anyway, y'all, there y'all guys go. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have these red dots, if you do, what you think about it? Have they last for you? Have they not? Tell me, man. So leave me some comments, but please stick along, all right? Hang tight for my next video, Tune in for my next video where I'm gonna go out to the range and do a soft torture test. Remember, like I said earlier, I'm not beating the gun up, just the optics, all right? So anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video to everybody. Please support the channel. It's a movement, man. And what I'm saying about support, man, if you guys, listen, if you don't want to leave a thumbs up or something like that, or maybe you do, but yo, check out my merch, all right? I got TL merch. I'm gonna put all that information in the description down below. And if you guys are interested in saving money and always getting discounts, there'll be some discount. Check the descriptions. There are discounts for these things right here. I'm not going to give you the actual amount, but if you want to save a few dollars, check out the description down below. And there you go. It rhymes, yeah. So anyway, man, I'm out of here, man. Another big shout out and a thank you to ZULISY for sending this out. Please stay tuned where I'm going to be outside soft torturing these optics. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, stay prayed up, put God first, and everything will fall in place, all right? And Jesus is King. Vámonos.